Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your...
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I'm Michelle, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to refresh knotless braids. I've had these braids in for like 3.5 weeks, and in the front here it is something else because my hair is now growing, so it no longer looks as neat as how it did when I did it. Oh yeah, and if you haven't checked that video out, I've linked the iCard, so click that iCard and you will go and watch this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and comment, and yeah, let me know what you think of this video at the end of it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these my braid thingies, these braid thingies. Okay you guys, so I have removed all the accessories, and what you're gonna need is some water. I'm just gonna spray the water because I'm going to put shampoo right on top while I'm here with you all before I go and wash it off. So I'm just making it moist. Okay, so now that I've put in the water, I am going to be putting in my shampoo. Just well, I don't know how much, but I put this much. And now that my hair is already moist, I'm just going to, oh, it feels so good. So I'm just doing this, making sure I get all the buildup off, so that when I go and rinse it out, I can just rinse it out real quick. Okay, let's go wash this shampoo out. I'm so excited about this. I want to see how it turns out. I definitely want to see how it turns out because I'm going to be using this crochet hook thingy. And yeah, stay tuned to see how it turns out. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? It really didn't take much time at all. And for those of you that don't know, I have like really long braids, so like they're butt length. So I just wrapped all of it, all the braids, with my towel. Well, I have to tell you, my scalp feels super clean. It feels so much better right now. So now let's bring back moisture. So I'm going to be putting in my leave-in conditioner by Africa's Best, the olive oil leave-in conditioner. My hair loves this stuff. I'm just bringing back moisture to my hair. Oh, feels like my hair's just gotten dry. Going in with my hair butter. Going in with my hair oil too. Okay. I'm sealing all that moisture. It's lightweight anyway. So now that we've brought back the moisture, it's time to refresh them, redo them. So I am just going to do the front, the braids in the front only. So what you're going to need is your rat tail comb, edge control or shine and jam or whatever you use to hold the braid, and your crochet. And then in the end, I'm going to use the mousse to set everything in place. So let's get it. let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that everything is neat. So, taking my edge control, my ISO Plus. I'm gonna stop saying their name because they don't sponsor me, and I'm such a loyal customer to this brand. So what you're gonna do is put the edge control around the perimeter of each braid. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, you could twist it and just leave it like this, but I wanna make sure that everything is perfect. Because, so anyway, take your crochet. Like this. Then, this is my first time doing this and using a crochet hook, you guys. I just saw a video on this. Then pull it through. Pull it through. Right? Then let's pull it through another time. Excuse me. And pull it right through. So there we go. Here is your new knotless braid refreshed. Okay, okay. And just twist it. Make sure everything in place. And then I'm gonna clip it away. Hold on, I need my clips. Hold on, I'll be back. Using my clip, since I've twisted it, hold it like this. And yeah, step number 1, done. So the same thing again. Making sure everything is in place. Taking your crochet hook, pull it in. Come on, hook. Hook, come on now. And then pulling it through, then doing it again. Pulling it through. And twisting everything, then flipping them away. Cool. So, what do y'all think? Insert.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
So as you can see, I've already tackled these two sides, and can you see a difference? This is the new part and this is the old part. Like, can y'all see? Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna show you guys again because I realized I was too far.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else, I'm like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Oh, this one's a little tight. Ooh, it's too tight. Ooh, child. It's coming out. Yay! Because it was too tight. It was too tight. I'm happy with the way it is. The one time. So, clip that one away. So, you guys, this is something you can do. Like, let's say you want to extend like maybe a week or two, or maybe a week, depending on how fast your hair grows. You can just do this.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks as good as new. I'm super excited. Like, oh my goodness, I love it. So now I'm going to put this foaming mousse to set it all and to reduce these flyaways. So let's do it. I mean, the time you have these braids in and you don't want to take them out, you can definitely do this. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I saved your life, okay? So, be grateful. No, I'm just kidding. So, I'm just gonna blow dry this. So, you guys, love you too, babe. There you have it. Let me know what you think. I am super in love. Like, it looks new. It does. It definitely looks like I can go for another week like this. But yeah, you guys, I am super duper excited that I didn't have to undo them or redo them because I really was not in the mood to do it, to undo my hair. But yeah. Hey, from what it was to this, sis, I'm in love. But anyway, you guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you think and if you would actually try this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Help me reach my goal, my 200 subscribers goal by my birthday. My birthday is on the 8th of August in like 3 weeks. So please guys, help me get there, okay? Help me get there. And to all those who've been supporting me up until now, I thank you guys so very much. I thank you guys so much and I appreciate you so very much. Until next time, peace, you guys. I'm out. Stay blessed.